Okay, so here's my new cure for cabin fever. You get a normal bag, and you get a really big rocket to put on the inside. And this is the biggest rocket I've ever seen in my whole life. It's like 16 in a row. So this is my chance to share some summer cheer, since we have like 14 inches of snow on the ground right now. So yeah, we're just gonna make it feel like summer for the students here, if only for a moment, you know. And it's on like a 7-minute time delay that we set up with a joint stick or a mosquito lighter. So hopefully this will work.
I'm trying to figure out, like, I can't really get anyone. You gotta get it started. I mean, just general. Have Ben be the one looking at your computer. Have it look over your shoulder.
What is that? Whoa.
I'm good. I'm good. I like fire.
That's awesome. That was sweet. That's sweet.
That's 1-800-811-5840. To order the Big City Cider Station, the mini burger sensation that's